Continuing with our FN SCAR maintenance series, with disassembly covered in part 1, we're now ready to clean. For this SCAR 16, we'll need a .22 caliber brush, jag, and cleaning rod, along with nylon and bronze brushes, pipe cleaners, dental pick, solvent, polymer safe aerosol gun cleaner, and a Sinclair SCAR 16 rod guide. We'll start with cleaning the piston. FN recommends using a bronze bristle brush to remove any carbon buildup from the piston. Continuing with the gas system, next we'll turn our attention to the gas regulator. Here we'll closely inspect the gas ports in the regulator to ensure they're free of debris and carbon buildup. If the ports are fouled, simply use a dental pick to remove carbon buildup. With the gas system now cleaned, we'll next turn our attention to the barrel. We'll start by inserting our bore guide and running a solvent-soaked patch down the barrel, allowing it to sit as recommended by the manufacturer. Next, we'll switch to our bore brush and make 15 to 20 complete strokes. Then switch back to our jag and run a few more solvent-soaked patches down the bore, followed by a clean dry patch to check our progress. If the patch comes out dirty, repeat the process until the patch comes out relatively clean. To finish up the receiver, we'll use our aerosol cleaner to spray it out, followed by a vigorous brushing with a nylon brush to remove any fouling. Next, to clean the trigger module, start by releasing the hammer by placing your thumb over the hammer, disengaging the safety, and pulling the trigger. Make sure to keep tension on the hammer and lower it slowly to the forward resting position to avoid damage. Once forward, we'll again use our aerosol gun cleaner to flush out any debris and old grease, followed by a few passes with a nylon brush, and then set it aside to dry. Now we'll turn our attention to the bolt carrier group. Just as we did with the receiver and trigger module, we'll give these parts a generous spraying followed by a vigorous brushing to remove any buildup and wipe them clean. Lastly, we'll run a pipe cleaner through the firing pin channel. And with that, we're done. Next up is lubrication, so be sure to check out part 3.